A fuel oil flowmeter is an important measuring instrument installed on board ships to measure the volume or mass of fuel oil supplied to the main engine, auxiliary engines, and boilers. The most commonly used types on ships are mass flow meters, like the Coriolis type, and volumetric flow meters, like the oval gear type. The main reason we use a fuel oil flowmeter on board is for accurate fuel consumption monitoring. It is mandatory for IMO regulations like CII and DCS reporting, where we have to submit exact daily fuel consumption data. It is also used for bunker reconciliation, to compare the bunker delivered against the actual fuel consumed, and to prevent any shortage or discrepancies. Furthermore, it helps us to monitor the performance of the engine by calculating the SFOC. Since fuel oil is the biggest operating expense on a ship, accounting for almost 70% of the total cost, the flowmeter helps the company in cost control and also satisfies charter party requirements. For maintenance, the flowmeter should be kept clean externally, and we must regularly check for any fuel oil leaks because the system operates at high temperature and pressure. The strainer fitted before the flowmeter should be cleaned as required to prevent clogging. Electrical connections should be checked every 3 months, and a zero-point check should be carried out every 6 months, especially for Coriolis-type meters. Always remember to isolate and drain the system before doing any maintenance work because the fuel oil temperature can be up to 120 degrees Celsius. Regarding calibration, it is generally required once every 12 months as per the maker's instruction and company PMS. Calibration can be done by sending the flowmeter to a shore laboratory, or we can do an onboard verification by comparing the flowmeter reading with tank soundings over a fixed period. After calibration, the new K factor must be entered into the system and the calibration certificate must be updated. The normal service life or tenure of a fuel oil flowmeter is between 5 to 8 years. However, this can reduce due to poor fuel quality, presence of cat fines, water contamination, and excessive vibration. A flowmeter should be replaced if the readings are drifting, if it cannot be zeroed, or if the error is more than plus or minus 3% even after calibration. In conclusion, the fuel oil flowmeter is one of the most critical instruments on board for both technical and commercial reasons. Without it, we have to depend on tank soundings which are much less accurate.